Did you know that even the tiniest creatures need to breathe? It's true. We can't see them without a microscope, but microorganisms are alive, and just like us, they need to breathe to get energy. Microorganisms are everywhere. They're in the soil, air, water, and even inside of you. Just like you and me, microorganisms need to breathe to stay alive. But guess what? They have some pretty amazing ways of doing it. Some microorganisms are just like us. They share a lot of similarities with human cells, especially in how they obtain energy. Just like humans, these microorganisms need oxygen to breathe. Oxygen is essential for their survival and plays a crucial role in their metabolic processes. We call this process aerobic respiration. During aerobic respiration, oxygen is used to convert nutrients into energy, which is vital for the microorganism's activities. These tiny critters take in oxygen and use it to break down their food, just like a car engine burns fuel to run. The oxygen helps them extract energy from the nutrients they consume. This process gives them the energy to move, grow, and do all the things microorganisms love to do. From multiplying rapidly to engaging in complex activities, oxygen is the key to their vitality. One example is the bacteria that live in your stomach and help you digest food. These beneficial bacteria play a significant role in breaking down the food you eat, making nutrients more accessible to your body. They need oxygen to do their job. Without oxygen, these bacteria wouldn't be able to function properly, and your digestion would suffer. So the next time you think about breathing, remember you're not just doing it for yourself, but also for the tiny aerobic crew inside you. Can you imagine living without ever taking a breath of air? Well, some microorganisms can. These fascinating creatures are known as anaerobes, and they thrive in environments where oxygen is scarce or completely absent. These tough microbes don't need oxygen to breathe. They have adapted to survive and even flourish in conditions that would be deadly to most other forms of life. In fact, some of them even die if they're exposed to it. This is because their cellular machinery is designed to function without oxygen, and the presence of oxygen can actually be toxic to them. We call this anaerobic respiration. Unlike aerobic respiration, which uses oxygen to produce energy, anaerobic respiration relies on other chemicals. Instead of oxygen, these microorganisms use other substances like sulfate or nitrate to get energy from their food. This process allows them to live in environments where oxygen is not available. One example is the bacteria that live in swamps and produce that stinky, rotten egg smell. These bacteria break down organic matter in the absence of oxygen, releasing hydrogen sulfide gas as a byproduct. They're anaerobes and don't need oxygen to survive. These microorganisms are a testament to the incredible diversity of life on Earth and the many ways that life can adapt to extreme conditions. Section 4. Supermicrobes switching teams. Some microorganisms are like superheroes. They can switch between breathing with oxygen and without oxygen. These microbes are called facultative anaerobes, and they're real survivors. If there's oxygen around, they'll use it to breathe. But if there's no oxygen, no problem. They can switch to anaerobic respiration and keep on going. Yeast, which is used to make bread rise, is a good example of this amazing ability. Section 5. Tiny breaths, big impact. Even though we can't see them, microorganisms play a huge role in our world. These tiny organisms are everywhere in the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the soil beneath our feet. They are essential to the balance of ecosystems and the health of all living things. Understanding how they breathe helps us understand how they live, grow, and interact with their environment. By studying their respiration, scientists can uncover the secrets of their survival and adaptation. This knowledge can lead to breakthroughs in various fields of science and technology. This knowledge is important for many reasons, like developing new medicines, cleaning up pollution, and even producing food. For instance, certain microorganisms can break down harmful substances, making them invaluable in bioremediation. Others can be engineered to produce antibiotics or enhance crop growth, revolutionizing agriculture and healthcare. So the next time you take a deep breath, remember the unseen world of microorganisms and their amazing ways of breathing. These tiny breaths have a big impact on our lives, shaping the world in ways we are only beginning to understand. Their existence is a reminder of the intricate and interconnected nature of life on Earth.